In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sequence in Apollo.io. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with Apollo.io, this guide will help you streamline the process and get your sequence up and running effectively. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Apollo.io. When the search results appear, look for the official Apollo.io website and click on it to open the homepage. Once you're on the Apollo.io website, you'll need to log in. You can do so using your email address and password. Alternatively, if your organization uses single sign-on, you can log in via SSO for a seamless experience. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the dashboard. You'll see a sidebar with various options. Under the Engage section, find and click on Sequences. Now that you're in the Sequences section, it's time to create a new sequence. Locate the plus Create Sequence button, usually positioned prominently on the page, and click it. You'll be presented with multiple options for creating a sequence. You can choose an AI-assisted sequence for a more automated setup or opt for a template if you have a specific framework in mind. If you prefer to clone an existing sequence, that's also an option. Alternatively, if you like starting from scratch, you have that flexibility as well. After selecting the type of sequence that best suits your needs, you'll need to configure it by giving it a name and setting your scheduling preferences. This step is crucial for organization and planning purposes, as it helps keep your sequences structured and on track. With your sequence named and scheduled, it's time to build its content. Click on plus Add Step to start adding individual steps to your sequence. Each step can be customized by selecting a specific type, such as an email, a phone call, or even a LinkedIn connection request, depending on your outreach goals and strategy. Once you've mapped out the steps of your sequence, it's time to incorporate leads. You can do this in two ways. Either manually add individuals one by one, or bulk enroll them. For bulk enrolling, you can use saved lists you've created previously, or tap into Apollo.io's extensive database to find potential leads that match your criteria. With your sequence fully configured and filled with leads, you're almost ready to launch. Carefully review all the details to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, simply click Start Sequence to activate your creation. Your sequence is now live and will commence operation according to the schedule and steps you've meticulously arranged. Creating a sequence in Apollo.io is a strategic process that, when done correctly, can significantly boost your engagement and outreach efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Apollo.io experience.